Hello everyone, this is assignment number 1 for COM 2560. So the first question is write the program using iseek function to get the size and open your file from one I choose and see if the size match with the output. So first I'm gonna go right here in assignment. So here's the C files with iseek. Write down like this, and then I'm gonna open the terminal. So first I'm gonna type this command. So this one I'm gonna open the assignment folder. Here it is, and then the next one, to make sure that the three files in the folder, and because as we can see there's also another one, it's for question number 2. And then I'm gonna go right here to do the GCC. So this one to compile the program using also of course the GCC. Then I'm gonna run the program using this one. Oops, sorry. As we can see, here is the size of the file is 40 bytes. Then I'm gonna check if the size match with the program output. So go back right here, copy this command, as we can see right here, there is a match. It's 40 right here, and there is a 40 bytes right here. Move on to question number 2 in the assignment number 1. So for me, write a C program called writer C, and to create a file called list1 text to show the following text. So I'm gonna close this one and open it in no machine terminal. First I'm gonna show you the C program file for writer. Okay, then I'm gonna open a terminal. First thing, I'm gonna go to assignment number 1 in the folder. Then I'm gonna compile the file with this command. Then I'm gonna run the program writer using this command. After that, it's gonna be like we'll create this file, which I'm gonna check if it exists or not. So it appears like here, right here. Then I'm gonna inspect the characters using this one to check on the characters and the numbers using this command. As we can see, check all the numbers and all the characters and separately. Then I'm gonna use this command xxd list like this. Then it's gonna show me like the bytes that you use in this one, and the last thing, to show using the command to show all 3 files and if it's right or wrong, like the space and the tabs and new lines. And this one, more list text one, I'm gonna copy like this, return, show me all thing right, just like what I saw in the question. And this is the end for question number 2. Move on to question number 3, where he said for me write a C program to determine how many lines in the text. So I'm gonna open no machine, assignment number 1, and here's the C file, all of it, where I say for him print the number of the lines. So I'm gonna close this one and open the terminal. Then I'm gonna copy this command. Okay, it's already open like in assignment number 1. Move on. Then I'm gonna compile the file using GCC. Then I'm gonna run the command, this one, to show me how many lines in the text. As you can see, the numbers of the lines are 2. So this time in question number 4, he said for me redo question number 3, but above this time user standard 10 calls. So I'm gonna open the terminal. As you can see, here's the listed, here's the code, of course, but this time I'm gonna use if open and if gets. So it should be like the print should be the numbers of the line, exactly the same the numbers in the previous question number 3. So I'm gonna use this code first. Copy this one, open a terminal, copy it, so open the folder. Then I'm gonna compile the file using GCC again. Okay, I already compiled it right now, and for the next, run it. I'm gonna run. It's supposed to show me 2, just like the previous question number 3. So I'm gonna run it right now. So the numbers of line are 2, so it's right, just like the previous question. Question number 5, where he said for me write a C program using IO to open an existing file that based on program command line, and then display the content of the line and ask the user permission to add what I want, then receive the user AI keyboard, then append the received, and then show it again. So I'm gonna open new machine, close this one. I'm gonna open here it is, and here's the C file. As you can see, like I'm gonna show and add the new files. So I'm gonna close it, open a terminal, then copy this one. So I'm gonna display the assignment number 1, the folder. Then I'm gonna compile the file again, this one, using GCC, of course. Then I'm gonna run it, of course, using this command. So in this time you're gonna say for me enter information to append it. So for example, I'm gonna add this one. Just let me add it right here. And as you can see, its appearance in the new file. Then, so if I want to verify it, so I'm gonna use more list, copy this command, come back right here, paste it, and as you can see, has been added to the file. Question number 6, he said for me redo question number 5, but this time use standard IO calls. So I'm gonna open the terminal and let me close this one. Open no machine, so the assignment file, of course. So I'm gonna open the append stand. I'm gonna write the code. In the code you can see, for example, fsig and fopen and fprint, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna close it right now. Then I'm gonna open a terminal to run the files. So the first thing, CD desktop, and open the assignment folder. Open it right now. Then I'm gonna compile the file again using GCC. Okay, which now is done. Then I'm gonna run the program using append, stand, and copy right here, and then go back. And as you can see, for me, enter information. For example, I'm gonna enter 2526 2025, sorry, and for example, comp, for example, COMP. Then I'm gonna show up like this. It has been added to all of this. Then I'm gonna add this command, more list, to make sure it has been added. And as you can see, it's over here. Question number 7 is, if for me, go to textbook, this page, and create a hole just like this one, like this. So here's the code. I can close this. Here's the code for it. So I'm gonna go right here on assignment. So I'm gonna open the terminal. So here it is. So I'm gonna edit first. Open the assignment number 1, which is the folder. Then I compiled the file. Then I run it, which show me ABCD until I in small, and A to J in capital. Sorry, A to J in small and A to J in capital. Then I type IC file holes to show me the size of the file, which is this one, and then I display the actual form, as you can see it right here.